Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. This clip is actually from a bigger podcast, and the link to that podcast is in the description. You'll also find the links to the audio version of the podcast and many more things. So, thanks for stopping by. Now, carry on with your video. You guessed it right. Play again. This time we'll be finding somebody tougher. Let's find somebody from the Indian industry. Let's see if this person can find. Who should I name? Bappi Lahiri. I think Bappi Lahiri is a good guess. Character a girl? No, not a girl. Linked to a superhero? He is a superhero on his own, but no. Been in movies? Probably. Is your character real? Yes, of course he is real. Currently alive? Yes, man. He can't die. Yes, he is older than 40. Run for president? I think they're trying to guess Donald Trump, but no. Not. Character white? He's not white. He's white pretty much, but athlete? Of course, no. What else? Character rapper? He raps sometimes. I feel his songs are rap only, but no, let's go with no. African American? No, man, come to Indian. Yes, he is Indian. Muslim? No, he's not. Over 60? Don't know, I don't know. I think he is. Actor? No, he's not an actor. Electron? Don't know. I have no idea. Boss of an important company? Nope. Have a phone? Yes, of course have a phone. In politics? No. Singer? Yes. Is your character fat? I think they know it. But how, man? Linked to the South? I think they guessed SP Balasubramaniam or somebody else like this. No, this is not from South. He has been married, I assume. Dress? Does your character dress like a man? Of course. Is an adult woman? No. Udit Narayan? Why were this question? No, he's not Udit Narayan. Please continue. Yes. Halloween? No. Not related. Made of cheese? How is a singer made of cheese, guys? Not for wearing a hat? Nope. Yes, has recorded albums. Character Punjabi? He was guessing Daler Mehndi. I know. Make Rubik cubes? Nope. Live in India? Yes, man, I think so. Is known with a beard? Nah. Yes. Is your character from Hinduism? Character have a female form? What am I doing, man? Slightly overweight? Yes. Action? No. Nope. Think he can't guess Bappi Lahiri. Rank to an animal? Nope. Is your character singer? Does he work with a singer? A songwriter? Yes, he does. Let's see. No, man, not female. Popular in the 90s? Yes. Advocate of censorship? Don't know. I'll say no. Don't know. Okay. Divorced? Nope. Lives in India when you're asked it. Team Canada? What are you doing, Akinator? No mustache. You can't guess Bappi Lahiri. Nope. Not Tamil. Adnan Sami. He has gone. He's not Adnan Sami. Continue. I am shocked. I think we have broken Akinator with Bappi Lahiri. Character a native Spanish speaker? No. Over 50 years old? Yes. No. Is your character a male? Yes. Arrested? Don't know. I literally don't know. Is your character American? How many times will you ask, man? How many times? Come on. Eat plastic? Bappi Lahiri surely eats gold, but not plastic. Is your character English? No. Play the lead role in a movie? Nope. I don't think he has. Multiplayer game? No, man. Does your character wear turban? No, not Daler Mehndi. No. Is your character rap singer? Nope. You can't guess Bappi Lahiri. Have Indian citizenship? Yes, he does. Does your character like the ocean? He surely should like the ocean. Create music? Yes, he does. Sing in Spanish? No. Character bearded? No. We are at 68 questions, guys. This is the 69th question and he's asking me is the character from a fictional world. Dumb. Akinator is dumb. No. Your character recorded an acoustic album. I don't know, man. I don't play many different instruments. Yes. So character voiced by female. I'm going to throw this phone in 2 seconds if he can't guess. Won multiple awards. Yes. Yeah. I have given up. Guys. I'm not going to do Akinator again ever. Like, can't guess Bappi Lahiri. I think we should quit it here. I think we should boycott Akinator. Can't guess Bappi Lahiri shouldn't exist. That's my motive.